Deepseek is taking on ChatGPT, and the results might surprise you. We've all been impressed by ChatGPT's conversational prowess. But today, we're diving deep into a new challenger Deepseek. In this analysis, we'll meticulously compare their performance, highlighting where Deepseek not only matches, but surpasses its more established rival. Step 1, we identified key performance metrics crucial for AI assistance. This wasn't just about casual conversation. It was about measured, repeatable tasks. We focused on areas like complex problem-solving, nuanced data interpretation, and the speed at which these tasks were completed. Step 2, data handling. Deepseek demonstrated a remarkable ability to process and synthesize information from a wider and more complex range of datasets. Think about it handling scientific research alongside creative writing prompts, all with a consistent level of accuracy and comprehension. Deepseek's architecture appears to be optimized for this broad-spectrum data ingestion. Step 3, task execution precision. This is where Deepseek truly shines when it came to specific, structured tasks. Circumflex euros. Whether it was complex coding queries, intricate mathematical reasoning, or even detailed legal document summaries. Circumflex euros. Deepseek consistently delivered more accurate and contextually relevant outputs. It's like the difference between a helpful assistant and a specialized expert for those particular domains. Step 4, algorithm efficiency. Our analysis suggests Deepseek's underlying algorithms are built for greater speed and less computational overhead. Particularly when dealing with large-scale data operations, this efficiency translates to faster response times and a reduced environmental footprint. Circumflex euros. A significant advantage in the growing AI landscape. The takeaway? While ChatGPT remains a formidable AI, Deepseek is carving out its own impressive niche. Its strengths in specific task execution, sophisticated data handling, and algorithmic efficiency are positioning it as a powerful contender. Pushing the very boundaries of what we expect from artificial intelligence, this isn't just an upgrade. It's a glimpse into the future of AI innovation.